Well, hi there. Today we are going to look at a digital scale made by a company called Yunmai. This scale can send data for the weight, your weight, and the body mass index, as well as your body fat, to your phone when you step on it. Okay, but you have to connect the scale to your phone via Bluetooth. Today I'm going to show you how to set it up. If you don't set it up with your phone, you can still use this for the weight in pounds or kg. You can set it up like that, but that's all you get. You don't get the body mass index and your body fat percentage. So this is a really cool thing to have when you're trying to monitor how you're doing physically with your body fat percentage, if you take care for you, and body mass index. So the scale uses 4 AAA batteries. Make sure you have that in place. Okay, and you just step it on. Too easy. After you have to put the batteries inside the scale, you just put the scale down on the hard surface floor, like a tile or hardwood. And there's no on and off button. You just step on and you give it the data. The first thing to notice is that when you are not connected to the phone via Bluetooth, you can only get you the weight. And to get the app is pretty straightforward. Just go to App Store and then you look for Yunmai. Okay, search for Y-U-N-M-A-I. Alright. The first thing you see is the Yunmai app right here. It's the one you want. I already have it, so I just click open. Okay, that's me. Alright, so now you gotta enable the Bluetooth on your phone. And if you are using iPhone and have the Apple Health app, which I strongly recommend you to get, you can send the data from Yunmai to the Apple Health app. So you just click allow to all the category, so you can track the body fat percentage, body mass index, the BMI, height, which whatever, the lean body mass, and weight. You can share all the data to the Apple Health app. Okay, click allow. Alright, so this is within the Yunmai app. You can see my weight 2 days ago, my BMI, my body fat. Alright, this is already set up already. So I'm gonna step on the scale. See the Bluetooth sign is on. See the Bluetooth sign is on? Now I get a reading with the body fat percentage at 26.3%. Okay, it's BF right there. Now, on my phone, you will see, are you Ming? Is that you? This is from the Yunmai app. So yeah, that's me. Confirm. Okay, now I can see the stuff that's on here. Let's go to the report. Okay. So that's what I got from the scale, 214.4 pounds. The body fat 26.3%. Alright, so I did do some weight throughout the duration of some exercise with my VR machine. Yep, so yeah, it's a good scale. So you can have this on your Yunmai app. Also, remember I was talking about the Apple Health app? You can see the data here as well. So now, this is the first day I enabled my data to the Apple app. So you can see my body fat percentage is right here, 26.3. Right? So this is the Apple Health app, not the Yunmai app. But you can share data up to here. I think you can also share your data into the Fitbit app as well. But we'll see. So now you have the body mass index. Okay. And then you have the weight here. Yep, the weight automatically updates itself. So before I had to manually type it in the weight, right? I can add data and type in the weight. Now I can just sync it up. I just step on a scale and sync it up. So that's pretty cool. I mean, this is one of the tools that keep me on track on my weight loss journey right now. I just got recovered from knee injuries, joint injuries, whole bunch of injuries. Now I'm back on track. So yeah, wish me luck. That's how you connect a digital scale from Yunmai to your phone and get all those data to transfer to your app, okay, on Yunmai, as well as to Apple Health. I think it's a great app. I keep track of your progress on weight loss and calories and all that. So this is really handy when it comes down to like how many. If your target is to lose body fat percentage, this is something you might want to get because it really tracks it pretty well. Make sure you step on it with the barefoot, not with any shoes or slippers. Okay. Lastly, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you find this video to be helpful for you, please hit the like button. And if you want more videos like this with the tech gadget, with fitness, please subscribe to my channel. More stuff coming. Also, I also include the link to buy this thing on Amazon in my description. So check that out as well. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time.